What's up, boys? Welcome back to another video. We're driving with our new catalyst pipe, or sorry, titanium pipe. Dude, this pipe sounds so clean. I love it. It being titanium, dude, plays such a role. It's crazy. Dude, it's honestly too loud, man. And this is inside the car, bro. It's loud inside the car. Homie, really. Holy. Dude, and then my homies were from the outside, like, dude, like, because when you're inside the car, you can still talk to people perfectly fine. You know, it's not like, it's loud, but like, it's doable. But from the outside, it's stupid loud. Every time I'm driving this car, I have to fill up gas. I literally, last time I recorded a Hellcat video, I was filling up gas. But that's just that's the price it takes, man. That's the price for this car. I mean, I don't regret it, bro. It's fun, and you only live once, bro. Like, the good part is that if the end of the world is this year, man, at least I got to enjoy my life, you know? Plus, you really never know when your last day is, man. You never really know. Oh my gosh. That's freaking crazy. Dude, it's so satisfying. Holy. Sounds so good. Look at the way it looks, bro. Like, I cannot get over this. Bless, bro, dude. This is the byproduct of working your butt off. There's more things coming soon, guys. I'm not talking much because, you know, when you do something new, bro, it's better to keep things low key. Let it show for itself, manifest for itself. So I'm just gonna let things settle, and then we're gonna see what happens next, man. Dude, I can't believe a full tank is only $80, bro. Before it was like 110. So I hope it drops all the way to like 50, bro. That's gonna be so sick. It's gonna make it even more worth having a car. And then everything should get cheaper as well. Like, when gas was cheap, bro, like, everything was cheap. Like, buying a car was cheaper. Right now, everything's just so inflated. Luckily, things are already dropping. Like a Hellcat, bro, you can get a Hellcat for a really good price now. That's crazy. And there's also, I don't know if that's a Hellcat. What is it? That is a Hellcat. It's clean. Maybe I can try to see. That TRX, dude, I want to get a TRX so badly next, boys, and I want to buy one for work mostly because, I mean, it's a company vehicle, and plus it's over 6,000 pounds, and it has a Hellcat engine too. I feel like it should be such a nice, it just looks so sick. That's crazy. anyways, I've never seen a Hellcat around here. I wonder who's in there. Last minute is crazy. Look at this freaking Hellcat. Oh, finally! Now homie finally does it. I've been waiting since that from the beginning. I love that, like where it blows out with the wine. It sounds so good. That's crazy loud. Dude, I've been hitting every red light, bro. Every single one. That was crazy. That sounded so good. Dude, I'm pushing this car today. In sport mode, it acts so different because the traction control is different. I like it in sport mode. In track mode, it's like a little bit like, it's kind of conservative, which is kind of what's good, obviously, with this car. Oh my gosh. design is so nice. This engine can take a beating, bro. You can feel this is too much horsepower. It can't even control itself. I'm just happy this engine can actually take that much horsepower. That's the best part about it, honestly.